Welcome back to the 3B Kids of Texas channel.
The 3B Kids of Texas! Today, we'll make some,
Making popsicles.
My mind is thinking. Today, we're making popsicles. Thank you for reminding me.
You're welcome.
Go ahead, Pat. I love hugs. Wait, which flavor am I making again?
Popsicles.
Pops and good. And what's that?
Sugar.
Sugar.
Every popsicle has sugar in it.
Yes.
Everyone does that.
I love sugar.
And then we're gonna try to drink kool-aid.
We're gonna make them watermelon shaped.
Ooh, nice. Watermelon. They're gonna be strawberry flavored though, because that's our favorite. Yummy. We have a 1 gallon pitcher that we're gonna fill halfway up.
Huh?
So like this. Okay?
No, this side.
No,
That's
not
full.
heavy. Yeah,
This
that's
side.
full.
Yeah, this side. No, this side.
There. No,
This side.
No, that'll be 2 quarts of water total.
And we need 1 cup of sugar. But let's get ice cold water first. And this.
Let's start there.
Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, you don't need it. Now it says we have to add this Kool-Aid packet to the water. Now let's see here. It says we have to add 1 cup of sugar.
You can put, I can hold the bowl.
Barry, don't spill any.
I
Now
can-
stir.
Here's all this. I'm the stove.
Okay, sure, babe. Still hold the bowl. Now it's time to transfer our liquid to our popsicle molds.
Now we'll put it in the freezer.
While that's in the freezer, we're gonna drink some Kool-Aid. Here's to a hot summer day.
Cheers.
Yes.
This is very good. No. Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Here's two hot summer days. Everyone likes that?
How could he like Kool-Aid?
Thanks for watching. That's my. Kool-Aid is the best.
Now this video is ended. Bye.
Bye.
Stop drinking that.
No.
Stop it. You're getting